Alrighty guys, so got the 04 TRX450r. New exhaust for it, finally. I think the old one's back there. If you want to grab that pipe, it's back in that box.
Venture back real quick.
I don't know if the lighting's very good. I'm going to have to bring it out. Anyways, old exhaust, terrible. Literally the whole silencer was rotted out. So this thing was sounding like a straight piped four-wheeler basically. It was kind of obnoxious.
Oh, too loud.
You know, you just didn't sound good.
The loudest 450 pipe I've ever heard.
So that's what's left of his silencer. It's that Aaen exhaust. But I'll let him show you the new exhaust he got. Well, it's not new, it's used, but it's new to us, you know. Yeah, we got it from a guy that raced motocross. He's going to Yamaha, so came off an 05. It has the wideband 02 because for jetting purposes he had that in there to tune it. But it is what's this thing? Dasa exhaust. Yep. So Dasa is pretty common for performance quad exhaust. Dasa and
makes the most power.
What's the other one? Razier. So definitely has a good note to it. Yep. This one's not perfect condition, but way better than what he had.
Fresh packing too, supposedly.
Yeah, it looks good. But we're gonna do a little startup of it. Have an idle and a rev, so you guys can hear the sound on a Dasa pipe.
I did just run it like 10 minutes ago, so it's pretty warm. My hot start doesn't work right now.
Yep.
I can pull my car apart.
Anyways, yeah, it's got a cam, so it has a little bit of a choppy idle.
Unknown boarding work.
Oh, now they're back on. Oh, there they're on. Oh, you got a loose connection up there. So yeah, my ear actually vibrated inside. That was good. So yeah, that's a Dasa exhaust on a 04 TRX450r. So yeah, that's gonna be the new pipe on it. Looks like we gotta do some electrical work because a little bit of intermittent connection, the lights coming in and out with vibration.
There too, but
anyways, guys, just want to do a little bit of a sound clip on that and show you guys the new pipe we got for it. Finally got something that's not junk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty, well make sure you guys leave a like on the video. And the seat cover, I don't know if we showed you guys that, but we're amateurs with seat covers, so that's...
We didn't do too bad up till here because our staple gun is like the Walmart $10 one.
Oh, it's terrible.
Yeah, I could have pounded better staples in with my finger.
Yeah. Made it work. So, that's going to be it for this video.